Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a Next.js application which allows you to export multiple images to PDF documents. So this is the application. I'm running it on localhost 3000. So this is actually the interface of the application. So here you can drag and drop multiple images, or you can select multiple PNG or JPG images. So as you select the images, you will see the live preview and each image will be displayed. And now we have the button here to export all these images to a PDF document. So we click this button and our PDF file will be downloaded, the output file. So if I try to open this file here, you will see on each page a single image will be displayed here. This is the first image, second image, third image, fourth image, and fifth image. So this is a nice little tool converter website which allows you to convert multiple images to PDF, and for this we are using Next.js. If I show you, this is actually the full project code, directory structure. If I show you package.json, we are using Next.js 15. We are also using PDF-LIB, which is a PDF processing library. It's a free open source. If you just write PDF-LIB, so this is actually the library that we are using here. So if you need the full source code of this application, the link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com and directly purchase the full source code. And after purchasing the source code, you will get a zip file which will, after you extract it, you will get this directory structure. So you can see each component is there. So this is actually the full code here, which is in JavaScript here. All the files are coded inside JavaScript. So it's a Next.js application. So if you try to run this for the very first time, you simply go to the folder and just type here npm i. So this will install all the Node.js modules and create this folder. And then you just need to run this by npm run dev. So this will start the development server on localhost 3000. So if you try to open localhost 3000, the application will compile and it will open right here. Then you select your images, convert to PDF, and you will see all your images will be converted to PDF. So this is actually the Next.js image to PDF application. If you are interested in this application, the link is given in the description. You will get the full source code. If you are a developer, you can add additional functionalities to it as well. You can also modify the code as well after you purchase it. So this is actually the project. Thank you very much for watching this video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image. And I will be seeing you in the next video.